Nvidia targets $200 billion CPU market with AI-powered PCs from Microsoft, Dell, and HP. At Computex 2026 in Taipei, AI chip leader Nvidia unveiled a bold new strategy that could redefine the future of personal computing. The company introduced Artiex Spark, a powerful AI-focused CPU that Nvidia describes as a superchip, and announced a broad ecosystem of AI-powered Windows PCs from partners including Microsoft, Dell Technologies, HP, Lenovo, Asus, and MSI. The launch marks Nvidia's most ambitious move yet beyond its traditional GPU business and into the global CPU market, which CEO Jensen Huang estimates could represent a $200 billion opportunity driven by the rise of artificial intelligence. The AI PC era begins. At the heart of Nvidia's announcement is the RTX Spark processor, a 1 petaflop AI chip designed specifically for running AI agents and large language models directly on personal computers. Unlike traditional PCs that rely heavily on cloud computing, RTX Spark-powered systems are built to execute advanced AI workloads locally, offering greater speed, privacy, and security. Nvidia says the new systems will feature secure AI sandboxes developed in collaboration with Microsoft, enabling users to safely run autonomous AI agents such as OpenClaw and Hermes Agent. These agents can perform tasks, manage workflows, generate content, and interact with applications with minimal human intervention. According to Huang, the vision is simple but transformative. With RTX Spark and Microsoft Windows, you ask, and the PC does the work. Instead of opening applications, clicking menus, and typing commands, users will increasingly interact with computers through natural language requests, allowing AI agents to perform complex tasks behind the scenes. A new growth engine beyond GPUs. For years, Nvidia has dominated the AI accelerator market through its GPUs and CUDA software ecosystem. However, the company now sees an even larger opportunity in AI-centric CPUs. During Nvidia's recent earnings call, Huang highlighted the growing demand for AI infrastructure and suggested that billions of AI agents could eventually require their own computing resources. We'll have billions of agents, and those billions of agents will all use tools, Huang told investors. We're going to need a lot more CPUs. The company's earlier success with its Vera server CPU platform, which reportedly generated approximately $20 billion in sales, has strengthened Nvidia's confidence that it can become a major player in CPU computing as well. Backed by the biggest PC brands, the breadth of industry support is one of the most significant aspects of the announcement. RTX Spark-powered PCs are expected to arrive later this year from major manufacturers, including Microsoft Surface, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, MSI, Acer, and Gigabyte. Microsoft is positioning its flagship device, the Surface Laptop Ultra, as the most powerful Surface laptop ever built. The system combines NVIDIA's AI hardware with Windows-based AI capabilities to deliver a new class of AI-first computing experiences. More than 100 software companies have also committed support for the platform, including Adobe, Blender, ComfyUI, Riot Games, and Xbox. NVIDIA says the ecosystem will accelerate AI content creation, improve gaming performance, enhance image quality, and enable AI-powered features across more than 1,000 applications and games. Learning from past failures. NVIDIA's push into Windows PCs is not without historical challenges. More than a decade ago, Microsoft's Surface RT, powered by NVIDIA's ARM-based architecture, struggled in the marketplace and ultimately resulted in a significant financial write-down. Several PC manufacturers also abandoned similar efforts. However, the computing landscape of 2026 is dramatically different. AI has become the primary driver of hardware innovation, and demand for local AI processing continues to rise among developers, creators, enterprises, and consumers. RTX Spark is also far more powerful than previous attempts, combining advanced CPU, GPU, memory, and AI acceleration capabilities into a single platform. The battle against Apple and traditional CPUs. Industry observers are already comparing the new AI PCs with the popularity of the Mac Mini, which has become a favored device among developers running local AI models. Pricing details for Artiex Spark systems have not yet been fully disclosed. Early indications suggest that these devices may target the premium end of the market, similar to Nvidia's existing DGX Spark AI development systems. Whether Nvidia can compete directly with Apple's value proposition remains to be seen. But the company's strategy appears focused on offering something fundamentally different: AI-native computing designed around autonomous agents rather than traditional software applications. A glimpse of the post-app future. The RTX Spark launch is about more than faster processors. It reflects Nvidia's belief that AI agents will become the primary interface between humans and computers. If that vision becomes reality, the market opportunity could extend far beyond CPUs, touching every aspect of computing, from productivity and creativity to gaming and enterprise software. For Nvidia, the goal is clear: transform the personal computer from a tool users operate into an intelligent assistant that works on their behalf. And with support from Microsoft, Dell, HP, and the broader PC ecosystem, the company is making a significant bet that the age of AI agent PCs has finally arrived. The end of apps? Nvidia's AI PCs will do the work for you. For nearly 4 decades, personal computing has revolved around a familiar pattern. Open an app, click through menus, type commands, and manually complete tasks. From word processors to web browsers, software applications have been the gateway between humans and computers. Now, Nvidia believes that era may be coming to an end. At Computex 2026 in Taipei, the AI chip giant unveiled a bold vision for the future of computing, one where users no longer operate software directly. Instead, intelligent AI agents handle the work behind the scenes. Powering this transformation is Nvidia's new RTX Spark superchip and a growing ecosystem of AI-powered PCs from leading manufacturers including Microsoft, Dell Technologies, HP, Lenovo, Asus, and MSI. The message from Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang was simple: you ask, and the PC does the work. From clicking apps to conversing with AI, traditional computing requires users to navigate software manually. Need a presentation? Open PowerPoint. Want to edit a video? Launch editing software. Need research? Open multiple browser tabs and search manually. Nvidia envisions a future where AI agents become the primary interface. Instead of opening applications, users simply describe what they want. Create a market analysis presentation. Edit this video and optimize it for YouTube. Research competitors and summarize the findings. Plan my week and schedule meetings. The AI agent then coordinates multiple tools, applications, and data sources automatically. In this model, applications don't disappear entirely. They become invisible infrastructure operating behind the scenes while AI agents handle the interaction layer. Enter RTX Spark, Nvidia's AI superchip. At the center of this strategy is RTX Spark, a new AI-focused processor capable of delivering up to 1 petaflop of AI performance directly on a personal computer. Unlike traditional PCs that depend heavily on cloud services, RTX Spark is designed to run sophisticated AI models locally. This approach provides several advantages: faster response times, improved privacy, greater security, reduced dependence on internet connectivity, lower cloud computing costs. The chip combines advanced CPU, GPU, memory, and AI acceleration technologies into a unified architecture optimized for autonomous AI workloads. For users, that means AI assistants capable of understanding context, performing multi-step tasks, and operating software independently. Nvidia's $200 billion opportunity. The announcement represents much more than a new processor launch. For years, Nvidia dominated the AI revolution through its graphics processors and CUDA software ecosystem. Now the company is aggressively targeting the global CPU market, a segment Huang estimates could ultimately represent a $200 billion opportunity. The reasoning is straightforward. As AI agents become widespread, billions of digital workers may eventually require computing resources. Every AI assistant, autonomous workflow, and intelligent software system needs processing power. According to Huang, the future will involve not millions but billions of AI agents performing work across consumer, enterprise, and industrial environments. That future requires a massive expansion of computing infrastructure, and Nvidia intends to be at the center of it. Microsoft and the PC industry are all in. One of the most significant aspects of Nvidia's announcement is the level of ecosystem support. Major PC manufacturers including Microsoft Surface, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, MSI, Acer, and Gigabyte are expected to release RTX Spark-powered systems later this year. Microsoft's flagship Surface Laptop Ultra will showcase the technology, combining Windows AI capabilities with Nvidia's AI hardware platform. Meanwhile, more than 100 software developers have pledged support, including companies behind creative, gaming, and AI applications. This broad industry backing suggests that AI-first PCs are no longer experimental concepts. They're becoming a mainstream product category. Learning from past mistakes. Nvidia has attempted to enter the Windows computing market before. More than a decade ago, Microsoft's Surface RT, powered by Nvidia's ARM-based architecture, struggled to gain traction. The platform failed to attract widespread software support and ultimately disappeared from the market. But 2026 is a very different environment. Artificial intelligence has become the primary driver of innovation across the technology industry. Businesses, developers, and consumers increasingly want AI capabilities running directly on their devices. Unlike earlier attempts, Artiex Spark is arriving at a moment when demand already exists. A new battle against Apple. Nvidia's strategy also sets up a fascinating competition with Apple. Apple's silicon-powered Macs, particularly devices like the Mac Mini, have become popular among developers running local AI models. Apple emphasizes efficiency, performance, and integration. Nvidia, however, is pursuing a different vision. Rather than simply building faster computers, Nvidia wants to build computers that work autonomously. The goal isn't merely better hardware. It's a new computing paradigm where AI agents become the operating system's primary interface. If successful, the company could redefine how users interact with technology. The post-app future. The real significance of RTX Spark isn't measured in processor speed or benchmark scores. It lies in a fundamental question. What happens when software applications are no longer the center of computing? For decades, apps have defined the digital experience. But as AI agents become more capable, users may care less about which application performs a task and more about whether the task gets completed. In that world, computers evolve from tools that require constant instruction into intelligent assistants capable of acting independently. Nvidia is betting that this transformation will create the next major computing platform, one potentially as significant as the PC, the internet, or the smartphone. Whether that vision becomes reality remains uncertain. But with support from Microsoft, Dell, HP, and much of the broader PC ecosystem, Nvidia has made one thing clear. The future of computing may not be about opening apps at all. It may simply be about asking for results.